my daughter's house because my granddaughter came to me the other day and she said, Papa, she goes, my birdhouse is broken. Well, I'm here and I'm looking at the birdhouse and it's not broken. So I'm going to need to go in and talk to my granddaughter and find out what she means. And then we'll see what we can do. All right, I'm here with my granddaughter and we're looking at her birdhouse. Now, you told me your birdhouse was broken, honey. What's broken?
The birds aren't coming.
The birds aren't coming? Oh my goodness, what can we do? Let's see. What do you think we should do to try and get some birds here?
We can put some food.
We'll put some food?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, I brought some stuff. Let's see if we can make something to hang some food here and that we can get some birdies for this house, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, now what we did is we attached some bamboo on the end. What do you think?
It looks terrific.
Okay, now get me the food. Let's put some food up here. See if we can get some birds to come here. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, honey, what do you think? Got enough food out there? What do you think?
I think it looks terrific.
Terrific. Well, hopefully we get some birds. You're going to keep an eye out, right?
Yes.
All right, you're going to let me know if birds come, correct?
Yes.
All right. Okay, hopefully this works. Well, my granddaughter's happy. We put some bird feed all around it. So hopefully now we're going to get some birds. So she'll be excited to see this happen. All right. Building with Papa. See ya.